Hi, Assalamualaikum. First of all, I would like to present my internship program. My name is Nurul Maizadul Izamin binti Abdul Hafiz. My metric number is A21A3002. I'm doing my internship at UMW Luktek Sendian Berhad for 16 weeks. This presentation contains background of industry, scope of exposure to student, contribution to industry, challenges of task execution, and added value in student knowledge.
Okay, for background of industry, firstly type of industry. UMW Luktek Sendian Berhad is a subsidiary of SIME UMW. For your information, SIME UMW formerly known as UMW Holding Berhad. UMW Luktek Sendian Berhad specializing in the manufacturing and distribution of lubricant for both automotive and industrial application. Next, background of the UMW Luktek Sendian Berhad. During the internship, I was involved in the account and finance department, specifically under the finance division in the account payable section. And I report duty to Encik Fairuz, Assistant Manager Account and Finance, and in charge with Miss Ayuni, Executive Account and Finance. Next, the role of each department that have at UMW Luktek Sendian Berhad. Firstly, procurement. One of the role of the procurement department is to purchase raw materials such as base oil and elective for use in the manufacturing process of lubricant. Secondly, human capital. The human capital department is responsible for comprehensive human resources management, including recruitment, training, performance evaluation, and staff well-being to ensure productivity and harmony within the organization. Thirdly, supply chain. The role is planning the flow, material and products, managing inventory, and ensuring smooth deliveries to support production operation and efficiently meet customer needs. Fourth, sales and marketing. The sales and marketing department plays a role in generating sales through effective marketing strategies, building customer relationship, and promoting the company lubricant product across various sectors, including automotive and industrial. Fifth, finance. The finance department plays a crucial role in overseeing cash flow, providing financial reports, and ensuring compliance with corporate policies and financial-related laws to support stable and competitive business operation. Lastly, health, safety and environment is responsible for safeguarding the well-being of employees and the environment through workplace safety monitoring, chemical management, regulatory compliance, and the continuous implementation of safety training. Next, UMW Luktek Sendian Berhad mains operating activity is plan and package lubricant for various automotive applications, adhering to international standards such as the American Petroleum Institute (API) and the Society of Automotive Engineers (SAE). Next, UMW Luktek also offer contract lubricant manufacturing services, including sourcing of raw material, packaging design, and product delivery such as with Perodua and Toyota. Next, scope of exposure to student. During my internship under a comparable, I can explain the step of the process. Okay, first I will receive the invoice from other departments such as human resources, human capital or procurement. I will check each invoice before proceeding. Is the company name correct? Has the invoice been verified? What is the invoice date? What is the total amount? Correct. If everything is complete, I will stamp it as received on the date I receive it. Next, I will enter all the invoices detailed into the company system. When the amount is due, I will prepare the payment according to the boss instruction. Preparing the payment means pulling out the invoices into a payment voucher and executing the transfer transaction in the bank portal. After completing all documents, invoices, payment voucher, batch from bank, I will get the approval from bosses and then it can be released to the bank. After a few days of making the payment, the suppliers will provide us a statement of account. I will perform a reconciliation to determine which invoices have not been taken out. And I will email the suppliers back to notice them that what invoices that is not received yet. Next, contribution to industry. Firstly, minimize errors when entering invoices into the accounting system to avoid minor mistakes such as incorrect amount and dates. Second, avoid fraud, incorrect payments or duplicate invoices that could jeopardize the financial stability of the company and the industry. And lastly, ensuring that suppliers and vendors are paid on time help to maintain good business relationship and the continuity of the supply chain in the industry. Next, challenges of task execution. It is difficult to obtain further clarification regarding the assigned task because sometimes the staff are too busy and we are afraid to interrupt. And sometimes the fear of making mistake or the lack of confidence to ask questions and provide opinion can arise. Lastly, it is difficult to understand the work procedures or the company system due to lack of proficiency in using the company system and Excel software. Lastly, add value in student knowledge. Firstly, I have learned how to record the invoices using the company accounting system. Secondly, I've learned to adhere to time and manage assignment and work within the customer actual schedule by organizing daily tasks according to department work prioritized. Lastly, I understand how the department within a company interact and function by knowing the flow of processes from the production department to finance. That's all.